Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Fortnite easy anti-cheat error, 100% working. Open File Explorer. Click this PC, C drive. Click Program Files x86. Click Epic Games. Click Fortnite. Click Fortnite game. Click Binaries. Click Win64. Click Easy Anti-Cheat. Click to open Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Click Yes to continue. Select Fortnite. Click Repair Service. Click Finish. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.